Hi there, welcome to video number 4. In this video, we are going to talk about what it takes to generate passive income. So, if you've been wondering what do you need to do, what do you need to invest in order to generate passive income with your business, then you need either any of these or any combination of this, or yeah, you can use one of them, the three of them, two of them, whatever you want. Okay, so it could be time, or it could be work, the work that you put in, the effort, or it could be money. Okay, if you don't have money, you can do either work or time. If you don't have any time at all, maybe you can use money. Okay, and or like I said, you can use the three of them or the two of them, whatever formula works for you. Now, the amazing thing about passive income is that, like I said, if you don't have any of these elements, right, you can still generate passive income. Let's say you have no money at all to invest, you can still generate passive income. It will be a different source of income, okay, because some work for some and others work for other things, but you can still generate passive income. The other thing that I want to point out is that aside from being a very flexible system, you can also dedicate as much as you want. So if you only have a little bit of time, dedicate a little bit of time. If you only have a little bit of money, dedicate a little bit of money. If you just want to work a little bit, then work a little bit. Obviously, the more you dedicate, or the more time or the more money, the more you're going to get in return. But it gives you that flexibility to invest as much as you want. And that's wonderful because maybe you're just starting out and you don't have much time, work, or money to spend. So you start little by little, and then you start noticing how it's growing, and then you get more excited and you want to invest more. Okay, and it keeps growing from there. Okay, and that's totally fine. So it has a lot of flexibility. The other thing I want to point out is that it's not your regular full-time or part-time kind of job. So a regular job, right, you either have to do part-time or full-time to earn at least a decent amount of income, right? That will make a difference for you. And of course, when we're entrepreneurs, we have way more control of that. But in this case, with passive income, you can just dedicate, let's say, I don't know, 30 minutes a day. Okay, or maybe you don't have even 30 minutes a day to do this. Maybe you do it every other day, or maybe you do it once a week. Okay, so it gives you that flexibility. You don't have to do 8 hours. No one does 8 hours. You can do, I mean, I'm sure some people love it and will do it all day long, but you can dedicate as much or as little as you want, and that's not going to put anything in danger or anything like that. Obviously, like I said, the more you put in, the more you will get out, but you can start with something small and there's no responsibility tied to it because everything kind of happens automatically. So if you can work on it today, for example, it's gonna be totally okay. You can do it tomorrow or you can do it next week. It doesn't matter, okay? So I hope that is helpful, and then I will see you in the next video.